Most people never look up, but your ceiling? It's the largest blank canvas in your home and the most overlooked. The right ceiling design can make a small room feel grand, a dull room feels warm, and a modern home feels magazine-worthy. Today, we reveal 7 stunning false ceiling ideas, crafted for every room in your home. And trust me, you'll want to stay for number 7. Designers are calling it a silent masterpiece. Let's start with the heart of your home, the living room. This ceiling design may look simple, but the moment you turn on the lights, everything changes. A tray ceiling adds subtle depth by stepping upward toward the center, making your space feel open, layered, and luxurious, even on a budget. Add warm Cove lighting tucked along the edges, and suddenly, you've created a cozy glow that fills the room without a single visible bulb. It's soft, it's elegant, and it sets the tone for everything that happens beneath it. Now, step into a quieter space. The bedroom is where design meets emotion, and this next ceiling does something special. A floating false ceiling, suspended just inches from the main slab, creates the illusion of calm detachment. The recessed edges, when lit from within, mimic the soft fade of a sunset, casting light not directly at you, but around you. It turns a plain bedroom into a personal retreat, peaceful, private, and effortlessly modern. And in just a moment, we'll show you how to use a ceiling trick that makes even the smallest kitchen feel twice as open. Now we enter the kitchen, the most functional space in your home. But even here, ceiling design can completely reshape the experience. This layout uses simple parallel beams, false ceiling strips running across the room like gentle rails. Each beam hides a spotlight, carefully directed, lighting up prep zones, counters, and islands. And here's where the magic happens. Those linear gaps between the beams, they guide the eye forward, creating the illusion of more space even in compact kitchens. It's modern, it's efficient, and it makes your kitchen feel bigger without changing a single wall. Next, the bathroom. It's often the smallest room and the most ignored, but with the right ceiling, even this space can feel like a 5-star retreat. A smooth, seamless false ceiling with vertical light panels adds both elegance and clarity. The soft, diffused glow lifts shadows from every corner, making the space feel cleaner, brighter, and bigger. Use warm LEDs for a cozy evening bath, or crisp white light for morning clarity. It's minimal, but unforgettable. Enjoying the ideas so far? Tap like. It helps us bring more thoughtful design to every part of your home. Let's move to a space made for gathering, where meals become memories. A central dome or arched false ceiling instantly frames your dining table, giving it purpose, weight, and a quiet sense of occasion. Install a pendant light or chandelier through a central cutout, and you've just created a natural spotlight for family dinners and late-night conversations. It's a blend of modern simplicity with just enough classical grace. Elegant, grounded, and unforgettable. Next, we'll explore one of the most overlooked spaces, but when designed well, it creates the biggest surprise. Now let's talk about the in-between spaces. The hallway. Most people skip over it, but it's your home's first impression. A linear strip ceiling transforms a blank passage into a visual journey. Recessed LED lines, running edge to edge, guide the eye forward, creating depth, movement, and quiet drama with every step. It's simple to install, low on cost, but high on atmosphere. And now, for the smartest ceiling design we've seen all year. It's flexible, modular, and works in almost any room. And now, the ceiling design that's redefining modern homes. A smart modular ceiling system made of clean grid panels, layered textures, and hidden lighting zones. It works anywhere: living rooms, home offices, bedrooms, even creative studios. Each panel can be acoustic, color-changing, or fully dimmable. Want a warm glow for movie nights? Cool daylight for working from home? You control it all with one tap. It's not just a design, it's an experience. One ceiling can transform a room. 7 can transform your home. Which one would you try first? Bonus tip: No matter which ceiling design you choose, the secret to a truly elevated space is layered lighting. Combine ambient glow from the ceiling with task lights for function and a touch of accent lighting for mood. It's this balance, not the budget, that creates timeless beauty. Want more calming, modern design ideas like these? Subscribe now, and let's build your dream space, one idea at a time.